Alright guys, welcome to another day. I've just got up here and I've quickly put two wheels on it because basically the back one kept going flat and I was fed up pushing it forwards and back, so I put another one on it. The front one, I actually found a 13-inch pepper pot and that's got a 145/70 tyre on it, so that sits quite nice, that one. And the back one is another 13-inch steel. This is a 165/70. Today's plan really is just to go around and just do what I can do really, and just anything I can't do, jot it on the board and go from there. Also, if anyone knows of where I can get any of these weather strips, if you could let us know, that would be much appreciated. That went well. Obviously the fueling is not how it should be. Yeah, what I think I'll do is I'll try and get all the needles out to like their base setting, and then yeah, I'll give it 5 minutes and I'll see how it goes. Right, let's fast forward a few hours. I kind of got a bit fed up with it. It just keeps popping and banging, basically, the carb. I put the idle needle all the way in, and then basically worked all the way out to about 5 turns, and it makes no difference at all really. So what I'm going to do is take the carburetor off, take the top bit off, just give it a quick clean out. Hopefully might find something obvious. So yeah, see you in a bit. Well, it is off. It's this one here. Oh, let me zoom out. That one. I've actually got a few spare, or they're like bits, and over the years, so my one's like sea solid, so I might be able to salvage some bits. So what I'll do, I think I'll take the top off and then just have a look in it and go from there really. Right, I've come to the conclusion that in here, this little hole here, there should be a little ball bearing and a little centimetre like rod thing. I remember it from when I've done the Escort carburetor. Got the manual out, and look, you can clearly see that it should be there. Focus, there you go, like that. So I've taken up part of this carburetor, which is an Escort item, and that's why it's got the different end. And if you look, it's in there. So hopefully, there you go. I think I've given up with it really. I think the plan might be just to buy another used carburetor, because if you listen to this one, it's just a pain. So as soon as you go to rev it, I'll show you. That. And so I've gone around from fully tighten to like 3 turns out, and it doesn't really get any better. So yeah, that is the end of the video today. Nothing really that exciting, to be honest with you, but getting there slowly. Hopefully try to get on the road soon, because I will just try to get it out of here and use it really and have fun with it. If you could all say, give us a like, subscribe and comment, any ideas or anything. If you have either a carburetor or any of the window seals, you know anything about the window seal bits, let us know, that'd be great. And yeah, I'll see you later.